Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the Rutherford experiment and the discovery of nucleus. Okay dear student. So after the discovery of nucleus, Rutherford concluded also give the structure of atom. Structure of atom, here we are going to discuss about the Rutherford model of atom. Okay dear student. According to Rutherford, according to Rutherford, the model of atom first that an atom consists of dense, heavy, positively charged central part called nucleus. According to Rutherford, an atom consists of dense, heavy, positively charged center part is called nucleus. Okay, it consists of neutron and proton. According to Rutherford, an atom consists of dense, heavy, positively charged center part called nucleus. Center part called nucleus. Okay, which consists proton and neutron. Consist proton and neutrons. Okay dear student, that means an atom have a center part which is dense, heavy and also positively charged particles, and this part is called nucleus, and nucleus contains protons and neutrons. Okay dear student. Second one is the size of nucleus is very small as compared to the size of an atom. The size of nucleus is very small as compared to the size of atom. Okay dear student. Third one is the electrons are present at very large distance from the nucleus. The electrons are present at the very large distance from the nucleus. The electrons are present at very large distance from nucleus. Okay dear student. And fourth one is the number of electron present in the atom is equal to number of proton present in the nucleus of an atom. Okay dear student, that means the number of electrons present in the atom equal to the number of protons present in the nucleus of atom. Okay dear student. And next one is the electron present in the atom revolving around the nucleus like planetary revolutions. Suppose here is positive charge, which is nucleus, and the electron revolving around the nucleus like planetary. Okay, dear student, this is electron. Clear? Okay, this is positive charge nucleus where proton and neutron is present, and the electron revolving around the nucleus like the planetary revolutions. Okay, so the Rutherford model is also known as planetary model of atom. This is why the Rutherford model is known as planetary model of atom. This is also known as planetary model of atom. Okay, dear student. So we have discussed here the next point here, the electron revolving around the nucleus like planet. So this is called planetary model of atom. Rutherford model also known as planetary model. But filler of Rutherford model of atoms. Now we are going to discuss about the filler of Rutherford model of atom. Why the Rutherford model is failed? Because we are going to discuss about filler, the filler of Rutherford's model of atoms. Rutherford model of atom could not explain the stability of atom, because when electron revolve around the nucleus, it will emit the electromagnetic radiations. After emitting electromagnetic radiations, the movement of electron around the nucleus will slowed up, and one time come when the electron will collapse with nucleus. Okay, collapse with nucleus. Now here is filler of Rutherford model. Coming to filler of why Rutherford model failed to explain the stability of atom, because when electron revolve around the nucleus, continuously it will emit electromagnetic radiations, and when electromagnetic radiations will emit, the motion of the electron will slowed up. Okay, dear students, slowed down, and ultimately it will spiral down into the nucleus. It will spiral down into the nucleus, and atom must collapse. That means atom must destroy. Okay, so Rutherford model could not explain the stability of atom. And second one is, it could not explain hydrogen spectrum. Rutherford model could not explain hydrogen spectrum. Okay, dear student. Second one is Bohr's model of atom. Bohr's model of atoms, and we will discuss about it in the next video, Bohr's model of atom. Okay, dear student. Thank you, all the best.